Hi everyone, this is Bakar Javaid and I am the founder of the Fibonacci Swings. The Fibonacci Swings, it was a dream that I would basically document my trading journey from the day one up to today. And with that regard, I started posting on YouTube, on Instagram, and on the Twitter, also on the Reddit sometimes. And it was going all good. I was not that much consistent, but yeah, I was posting on the content, recording it. So few days back, 20, I think it was 29th or 28th May, my account was banned by Meta. It was basically suspended for 30 days. Then I requested review. Then they basically disabled my account. I don't know the reason regarding that. In 2025 also, my account was banned. The Fibonacci Swings, the original Instagram account, it was banned by the Meta team. I don't know the reason. Still till date, they said that आई हैव वायलेटेड सम कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस. मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता कि वो कौन सी कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस थी जो मैंने अब तक वायलेट की थी. And 2026 my another account, which was the trading ratios, got basically banned by the Meta team. I am still finding the reasons why they have basically banned my account. Firstly, they suspend my account temporarily for 180 days, and then they say request a review. When I did the request a review, they just banned my account. So I just want to know exact reasons. With that regard, I mailed Meta team 2 to 3 times a few days back also. Since I got no response, what exactly is the reason why my account got banned? So that's why I'm just creating a video and I am uploading it on YouTube. I am uploading it on Twitter. So with that regard, I can get a reply that which community guidelines was violated. So it is not easy to basically just you are working on something and within a sudden your account get banned, because I had archives there. I have the reels which I have taken the retakes almost 40-50 times just to shoot a video which is less than 50 seconds. So it takes a lot of hard work to basically create a single reel, and it also takes a lot of research, mind power, and you are making it content. But within just few days, a few moments, Meta banned your account. So I just want to know the reason and why exact my account was basically banned, which community guidelines I have violated. If it was a by mistake, so I want my account back. If I have violated any kind of community guidelines, I want it in a detail overview which community guideline I was violating, and what was the part of my content which was violating it. So with that regard, I am submitting this video on YouTube and also on the Twitter, so just I can know the reason why exactly my account was banned. So thank you.